As you can see, I'm down to the battery already. I can catch you up to speed because the seat, all you had to do was really just lift it out. Straight up out of there. It came right up out of there with no problem. And the cover had a couple of Velcro strips on it. You can see right there. And one on the other side. And I'm finna unbolt this battery here. And I'm going to try to charge one of the other batteries. I want to see if it's going to work. I haven't tried that yet. Well, you can see it's putting out a large amount of current. That's supposed to be putting the charge in there. So I know it's getting the charge in there now. And so I'll watch it and make sure I come and take it off and make sure it's cooling down and not getting outrageous. But it's working. It's working. Okay, now that's the bad battery, and it's only registering at two something. And this is the good battery, and it's registering at about 1278. So we're gonna use it to bring that one up, and hopefully it won't take forever. But that's what's going on tonight.